Hi guys, so today I'm propagating garlic. So all I've done, I've just devised this method. I have vermiculite in these little pots, and vermiculite is very moisture absorbent. So, and this is store-bought garlic, so that's why I'm trying to propagate them like this. We'll see how they go. So I'm just dampening the garlic, the root part, in the water, and plonk it on top of the vermiculite there like that. And we'll see if they actually root. Dunk it in, plonk them on top so the roots are touching, and hopefully they'll start to shoot, and then I can pull them apart and plant them. Just a little tip there. Okay, right, so that's an easy little job. So I've got 9 cloves there, 9 cloves, 9 whole garlics. I don't know how many cloves I'm going to get out of them to plant, but there's one good thing about the weather at the moment. We're around the low 20s degrees, so we'll see what happens in between 7 and 14 days. They should shoot, and I'll be able to plant them, and that way I know that they're going to grow. So hopefully that's helpful to some folk. Talk to you soon.